So hey, hello everyone. So this video I'm going to show you how to solve this error, file not found error, errno2, no such file or directory, and your name of file.txt in Python. So here I have a simple Python code just to open a file and read the contents and display it. But I'm getting this error, file not found error. So I'm going to show you how to solve this error and why this error occurs. So the basic reason for this error occurring is that this file, so I'm having here my file.txt. This file isn't present in the same location as of my Python code. Okay, so here is the basic mistake that I did. So this Python code name is sample.py and it is present in local C Python example, and my text file, that is my file.txt, is present in Python text. So one simple way to solve it is just copy this code. Okay, just copy this text file, copy it, and I will show you the contents also, and I will put an open also. So just basically this 5 numbers 1 to 5, and just copying it and go to the same folder where your .py, that is your current Python file is present, and paste it there. So now you can see my .py and .txt files are in the same folder. And now if you run this code, I will just close this, and if I run this code, and I'm not getting any error, I'm just getting the contents of the file displayed. There is also another way to solve this error without having our .txt and .py file in the same folder. That is by giving the absolute path or complete path over here. I will also show you a demo. So now we'll just delete this one. Okay, delete this my file from the folder where I am having my .py. So now if I again go and run the code, I will get again file not found error. So that's common. So now I will show you how to solve this by using absolute path or giving the full path. So what you need to do is just go to the folder where you have your text file, and what you are doing is just click over here, this this navigation where you are navigated through from the main directory to the subdirectory, the navigation. Just click that and you will get this C colon slash your folder name. Just Control C, copy it, and you need to go to your Python code, and here just paste the code and put a backslash. So that's how this works. So see our main directory, your folder, your Python file.txt. So this format is really important. If you make a slight change here also, you won't be getting your absolute path, or you will still get that error. So you need to be very careful while doing this. So to avoid this, is basically just keep everything in the same folder. So now if I run this piece of code, I won't be getting any error. I will get the output 1 2 3 4 5. So that's it. So as you can see here, I'm not having the same thing in my folder, same text file in my .py folder, so it's still working. So this is how you have to solve this error, and still you are getting this error means that you have done some silly mistakes in naming the file. So just check the name of file and you will get your error solved. So that's it for this video, and do check out my other videos of my channel. I have done tutorials in C, C++, Java, Blender, Unity also. So kindly check out my other videos and subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.